6 times more freshness than when it's just laundry detergent. I promise you, this is where it's at. Downy Unstoppables.
Welcome to Sabbath School, brought to you by It Is Written. Glad that you could join us today. We are taking a look at God's laws and justice. And today we're looking at lesson number 5 of 13. We're going to understand the wrath of love. How to have a God of love with the wrath of God. Father, we ask that you would bless us as we look once again at your word, at the attributes of your character. Review, and he is also serving as a research professor at the University of John. Thanks for being with us once again.
My pleasure.
All right. The wrath of divine love. But we also have the wrath of God. We're trying to reconcile these ideas. Where do we get started in pulling this together?
Yeah, so I want to start with an illustration. How you respond after that may or may not be appropriate, but righteous indignation is the proper and appropriate response of love against evil. And the reason why the God of the Bible gets angry at times and becomes wrathful
This
at times
can be used with
is
your
because God's anger is always
sled,
directed at evil or sin, and
with your
sin
crosscut
always
sub
hurts at
and your
least one of God's
rotor.
children, even when it is merely self-inflicted.